Microsoft has added generative AI capabilities to Windows 11 in the form of a taskbar-mounted Bing chatbot. The firm will go even further starting this summer by introducing a new ChatGPT-driven Copilot functionality that can be utilized in conjunction with your existing Windows apps. At its Build Developer Conference, the Microsoft unveiled the modification along with a second new round of Windows 11 updates scheduled for later in the year. In June, Windows insiders will have access to Windows Copilot. Windows Copilot, like Microsoft 365 Copilot, is a distinct window that appears on your screen's right side and aids with various activities based on your requests. A Microsoft demo film shows Copilot accessing apps like Spotify, Adobe Express, and Teams in addition to adjusting Windows settings, reorganizing windows using snap layouts, summarizing dragged-in documents, and rewriting them. Copilot can be started by clicking a specific taskbar button. When it's open, the Windows Copilot sidebar is consistent across all of your open windows, apps, and programs, so it's always there to serve as your personal assistant. By enabling you to take action, personalize your settings, and connect effortlessly between all of your favorite apps, it turns every user into a power user, according to Microsoft Chief Product Officer Panos Panay. Microsoft made no mention of Windows Copilot's privacy and security concerns, including whether users can rely on the confidentiality of their document contents. It is also not sure how much processing is done locally on your device versus on Microsoft's servers, and whether chat history and contextual data will be saved between sessions or even synced between computers. As the feature nears release, we'll probably learn more about this. Regardless of what you think of Microsoft's unrelenting push towards AI this year, it has been remarkable to witness Windows 11 develop from Windows 10 but nicer looking, to an OS with built-in AI features in only a year. When Windows 7 and Windows 8 were in use, Microsoft took significantly longer to change course and react to new developments. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing depends on your point of view. Regardless of whether they want it or not, millions of Windows 11 users will be provided generative AI aid, but that's a totally different approach to Windows than Microsoft employed a decade ago. The centerpiece of this round of Windows 11 updates is Copilot, but AI has been incorporated into Windows 11 in other ways as well. The AI Hub component of the Microsoft Store will be added as a top-level navigation option alongside the buttons for apps, movies and TV, and games. The AI Hub will include generative AI apps for text, photos, and more, and the store will have the ability to construct summaries using AI of all the reviews for a particular app. These functions will be available soon. A few features will be available even sooner than expected. Among the features that Microsoft VP Aaron Woodman claims will go live tomorrow are a new setting to enable or disable presence sensing capabilities, as well as related capabilities like wake-on approach. It will create a new shield icon that will appear over your Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar when you're connected to a recognized VPN, live audio captions for 10 more languages, and a modified design for the widgets area. Windows devices with appropriate hardware will eventually receive Bluetooth low-energy audio capability as well. Given that Build is a conference for developers, there were additional features unveiled just for developers. Dev Home is a new app that speeds up the setup process for brand new development PCs by enabling GitHub sign-in, automatic repository cloning and app installation, system performance monitoring, and the creation of refs-based dev drives on local storage that improve performance for key developer workloads. The Windows 11 2.3H2 upgrade, which should theoretically be the operating system's following significant yearly feature release, is something about which we still haven't heard anything. The core of the Windows 11 2.2H2 upgrade was completed and made available to Windows insiders for testing by this time last year. Yet all of the most recent Windows Insider builds continue to use the 2.2H2 version number. Over the course of Windows 11, Microsoft has shifted away from yearly updates and towards a constant trickle of improvements that are released as they become available. The 2.2H2 update may have been smaller in scope, and the 2.3H2 update may have had a shorter lead time for creation. The business might potentially alter its update approach once more and stop making these yearly version modifications. Microsoft has already said that Windows 10 will no longer receive yearly feature improvements.